How to fix Duolingo phrasing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Duolingo and click on it, and now go to storage. And here all you need to do just click clear data, and after that you will need to log into your account again, but your problem will be fixed. And if you did that and your problem, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and then check if there's any updates, and then just update your Duolingo, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.